Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. So today I will take only two trades, which is so short. So I will not explain while I am trading because I don't want to lose any one trade also. So let me see some pairs. This is NZD USD. This is OTC market. So we need to be more attention in this market. Okay, I will explain once when I done my trades. I don't wanted to get interfere with that one, so I will take only two trades, which I'm sure not any blind trades or anything. Actually, I was watching the market from past 15 to 20 minutes, but still I didn't get any best opportunity. So let us see now. So actually, this candle will be sellers only. So now there is a chance to get reverse also, and is there any opportunity? Okay. If market close at this point, I will take trade or else no. Okay. If market comes at this point, I can able to place here a higher option, because if we see this market, after one single bullish candle, always sellers are entering. Expect once, only once. So only I wanted to place. If market comes at this point, I can able to place. But here there was a bias level also. Okay, see, the price closed below only, but it's a green candle. We should be aware of that also. Actually, this market is not that much good, because we can see many levels over here and so many wicks and very strong candles. We can't able to trust in this market also, but we'll try once if we get best opportunity only, not any this trade, blind trades. Okay, if we see after this weak bearish candle, bias entered. After this strong bullish also, there is no bias entry, and again sellers entered. So sellers entered means there it has to be sellers, but again bias entry as, because there might be some level. Yes. There is a level. Okay, if we put one strong level, it's enough, it will be a strong only. So bias entered. So always we have to draw horizontal line as well as trend line. Okay, from this point there is no bias for sure, because after this candle it's a very strong candle, not a weak or medium candle, it's a very strong candle. So it shows us market is very strong at this point. So bias entered, so again sellers entered, but it's a very weak sellers. There is a chance to be continuation candle also here. So we'll wait. I need only one more trade. Because at this point, whenever market reaches at this point, there is a chance to reverse. See here, 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 and here also. So only I waited over here, there, but we'll see now. I guess we can able to go for with a higher option here, because sellers interested, but very few sellers are interested. Then again strong buyers are interested, and next sellers are also here, not here or here, and this one is also a strong candle. So we will get profit in this trade also. Here only once it got reversed, rejection, reversed. It's okay, this is the trendy market. There is a more chance to be go hit this price. So one more thing happening is, after one bullish single candle, sellers are entering. That is also minus point. It getting reversed many times. It is just a retracement candle. So I will go with higher option only. I lose $250. So only I won't trade at OTC market. We'll change some pair. Okay. Again, we can able to go for a higher option, but again one single candle it getting reversed, so we can't able to trust here. So it's better to wait. We'll change some other pair. This is worst market. This is also not good. I don't take chance now. I can't able to take. Okay, this is not bad, but at this point it got consolidation. We can't able to trust here also. Okay. I can able to go with a seller option here. Okay. Okay, at that point, if market close at that point, I can able to go with the lower option. I will go with higher option now. Because there is a gap and as well as sellers became weak. Okay, after this candle, I can expect a seller's candle because level is also far and I thought sellers may enter. But again, buyers enter and made a new high, and as well as sellers are entering strongly at this point. Whenever market reaches at this point, sellers are entering, but there is a gap. But buyers hit that point, but got rejected. Because of this bullish momentum, I placed here a higher option. That also a show short, but I lose this one because usually it will go more up. Sellers are here, and as well as if we see sellers, we can able to trade like here to here. It's okay, losses all are common. Okay guys, so these are my trades. So let me show you. So this one easily I took because I see this market, just it's a trendy market, and again we can expect a trend only here. If we in this trend we are seeing all are bullish candles, but here we can see some weak buyers candle. In this market, whenever market reverse for bullish one candle, again sellers are entering. Whenever, most of many times it getting reverse, and as well whenever market reaches at this point, it getting reverse. Right? See, from this point it got rejected and pushed up to till here. Whenever market hit this point, it came up to till this level and market get reversed. So this is like a strong level. So as I told, whenever market reaches at this point, I will place here a lower option. That is the one point, and as well as the market is respecting like one candle. So this is the second point, and this is just entered by a level, not completely. So this is the third point. So I placed here a lower option. So why I placed here a higher option means, as this one is also a trendy market, but I showed that there was at some levels, but when I see this momentum, I thought here I can able to go with a higher option because it's like a double top double bottom formation. But I can expect a seller's candle because sellers are very strong. Already we know, actually in next candle it has to be sellers, but buyers entered because of the level. But again sellers entered because market is close near to the sellers level. So sellers entered, it's a very weak sellers. As I told, next candle may enter buyers, so I can able to place here only higher option. But there is a chance to it may get reversed also because it's a downtrend, not a high uptrend. If it's uptrend, I can able to go with a higher option, but it was a downtrend, so only I waited here. So when buyers entered, I thought it will reach up to this level. So whenever market hit this point, then the market will get reversed. But here, my bad luck, it got rejected from many times at that point. If you see, after place my trade, I see this one. See here also, but it's okay. But usually I it will be call only in the real market. Because of the OTC, they may get confused also. So only I just place higher option next, because already we know buyers are interested and sellers are very weak. Sellers interested as because of just a level, as it's a SNR, at least for one candle it will get reversed, that's it. And again market will try to move up to hit this point. So only I place again next candle only higher option. Usually I don't place next candle only. I won't trade, because whenever I trade for the next candle, I may used to lose many times because of some emotions. So but here I was confident because it was a very strong candle and it made a angle. Maybe because of the Marubozu candle it may get reversed. So I needed only two trades, but I placed here a four trades because of one loose trade. So when I see this market, it was a uptrend, minor uptrend, and I see a left side a momentum. But here at this point, there is a range market or consolidation area. But here I was expecting a momentum. But at this point, whenever market reaches at this point, we can expect a consolidation area too. So only when I saw this red candle, I thought it may get reversed because of the reversal sign, and already it reaches the consolidation area also, and market is ready to reverse. But again, buyers entered and made a new high. So it confirms me that level was also far. So it confirms me that market all wants to go up. So only I placed here a higher option. So these are my trades. So I'm starting my new trading course. So where you people will be monitored by Zoom every day till 11 days. In that 11 days, you will be clarified about levels, candlesticks behavior, market types, market patterns, and forex chart, which we needed in by for binary, not any other, and personality development like control over trading, over practicing, and blind trade, and increase of patience while trading. So this is the main important. We have to increase our patience while trading. Just we have to be sit and have to watch some more times to get some show shots. So in that point of view, I reduced my fee also, as because some of them needed to be low cost. So I reduced as well. I reduced the course days also, as now my students have 21 days of training. In that 7 days it will be like teaching and clearing all their doubts. Later 7 to 8 days it will be like live trading in front of me, in practice account in front of me they will do. In other 6 days it will be like real account or in their this one tournament account they used to do, but here I reduced and I will show only show shots with necessary topics. So I don't I some show shots don't need all those stuff. Just they need what they expecting in that point that time. So I will teach topics that necessary topics. In that 6 to 7 days, it will be like teaching, and after 7 to 11 days, it will be like live trading in front of me or with your analysis and including your friends who is your batchmates with your explanation and thoughts when you get at that point of time. So it will improve you and as well as them also in live trading. So I try to help some of them. So if you are interested, you can contact me. My contact details it is in description. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.